So here we are, day 14 today. Actually, 2 weeks ago today I had my surgery. Had an appointment booked today to get those staples out. I waited the full 2 weeks, I should say. They said 10 to 14 days. I just waited the 14 days, so those came out pretty good. And looks not too bad. Obviously, there's a bunch of holes in there. I had 27 or 25 staples in there, but hurt a little bit more than I thought coming out, but relatively minor, just little pricks. But I've been having that issue with my legs for the last few days, well, since Sunday night to early Monday morning. And I woke up this morning again at about 4 o'clock in the morning, couldn't get back to sleep because the front of my calves, like, you know, the muscles on the front just to the sides of the bones were just on fire. It was obviously nerve pain, but I think it was. But it was pretty bad, so I had to take some drugs, and I just went out and sat on the recliner back out in the living room, but it wasn't comfy. Anyways, so got the stitches out, or the staples out, and then just told my doctor what had happened Sunday night, where I pulled my leg over the side of the bed and kind of tweaked my back and thought maybe I twisted or rotated those discs, maybe one of them out of place. So I went and had an x-ray today at the clinic. Don't know when I'll find out what the news was. Hopefully everything's cool. I do have less pain in my legs now. It's not as bad. It seems to be more localized down or below my knees, which is better than it was certainly on Monday, Tuesday, and even yesterday. So hopefully things are getting back to normal prior to Sunday, as far as not having the numbness and tingling in my legs. I can kind of feel it while I'm standing here on both my legs, but we'll see how that washes out. And did a decent amount of walking today. The last 3 days I've done at least 500 to maybe I did about 600 or 700 today, because I kind of walked from my doctor's office to Tim Hortons while I waited for someone to come get me and take me to the x-ray clinic. So I'm getting in more walking, and end up paying for that a little bit, but it's got to be done. So anyways, all things are going well considered, and check in the next couple days.